Welcome to our 2016 66 BMW M4. This car is currently undergoing preparation. It is live on our website. I'll run through the items we're doing and also the spec of the car. As you can see, it has the 19-inch alloys. The car is going to receive new front discs and pads and rear pads and discs. Also, the car is going to have the front bumper attended to for some stone chips on the front. As you can see, these will be rectified. Other than that, the car is in overall very good condition for the age and the mileage. Oh, we are also having a external body kit fitted too. The car does have the M Performance exhaust, which gives it a nice raspy sound. Inside, we are also having the bolster wear attended to. Although it's not horrific, we are going to have it repaired in the small seam there. The car does have Harman Kardon head-up display, which you can see, Pro Nav, heated seats, all the extra bits, carbon fibre interior pack. There we go. We do take part exchanges, offer finance. Our website is www.carterandhaynes.co.uk. Or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.